A pleasant morning, grade 2. Today we will have a new lesson. It's about protecting public and private properties. Our lesson objectives are to define public property and to distinguish public properties to protect in Qatar. So, what is a public property? Do you have any idea? A public property is all buildings owned by the government and used by the people. For sure, you are all familiar with this. These are all called public properties used by people. First, we will discuss museum. A museum is a building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited. The Museum of Islamic Art is one, and the famous National Museum of Qatar. Second, we have hospitals. A public hospital is a hospital which is owned by the government and receives government funding. This type of hospital provides medical care free of charge, the cost of which is covered by the funding the hospital receives. Hospital, Hospitals here are famous for its state-of-the-art buildings and facilities. Third is what we call parks and gardens. Parks or gardens are designed to offer recreation and green space to residents of and visitors to the state. I know many of you have been to these places. Fourth is Karama. Very good. Karama is the sole transmission and distribution system owned and operator for the electricity and water sector in Qatar. I know you are all familiar with this. Now, as a recap, what are the four types of public properties that we just discussed? Excellent. We have museums, hospitals, parks and gardens, and Karama. Now, for your task today, how can you protect public properties? I want you to comment your answers down below this post. Thank you and have a nice day.